Hello Live Wires, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today it's Tip Tuesday. Today I had a special request to make sun earrings out of paper clips, so you can use small or large paper clips. I'm using the plastic covered ones. What you're going to need for this project are some tools, so I have some round pliers, flat pliers, needle nose pliers. I have some larger round pliers, and main thing is to use some heavy-duty cutters. These are memory wire cutters. Just don't use your best cutters to cut the paper clips. And I'll also link up below. I have some tutorials on how to make paperclip jewelry without tools. First thing you want to do is open the paperclip. So just slowly you're going to push it open like that so you don't get any kinks in it. You can use your pliers, but it could scratch the plastic, so I would advise, at least for the colored ones, just to open them up by hand. Now we're going to form the rays, so get your flat pliers, just hold it very gently and push it down. Give it a little bit of a kink. Hold it in the same position on your pliers, back and forth. We're just going to keep going back and forth, holding them in the same position on the pliers so they're more or less consistent. And we're going to do about 7 of these. So once you have 7 of those, we're going to start bending it around. So from here you can get the end of a pen or a pencil and just bring it around and wind it around to start forming a little bit of a cone. Depending on how big your paper clip is, you might have a larger piece of wire there. So now take your round pliers and very gently bring it around to close that loop. And then you want to just be super careful. Bring this one in a little bit, pinch it in, and then just bring it in to form the sun. So we're just going to bring this one around here, pull this one around. If you have to bend it, just go ahead and give these a little bit of a pinch. And the idea is you want it just to end up kind of closed like that. It's stiff, so it'll hold its shape. Bring it in. You want this to kind of touch one of the intersections so the earring hook won't come out. And then you can just open up a hook, stick it on there, and you have the sun. If you want to do a moon, it would be fun to do it in a different color. You can do blue. Same idea, just open up the paper clip. So we can just bend this up at a right angle. Good to get a round form, so the end of a Sharpie, just bring that one around. Depends on how big you want the moon. And then we can just bend this one to the back. Little sharp bend. Could get a smaller circle, so the end of a pen, and just bring it around. If you need to rotate it more, just hold it in place and just kind of rotate it a little bit. So we have the starting of a moon. Bring it a little bit more, and then take the flat pliers again and then bend it back on itself. Push it, carefully hold it with the pliers, curve that a little bit, and that'll line up here, and we want to bend it around. So just careful it doesn't slide too much over. Hold this in place, bring that one around, grab it with the pliers if it's easier, and then use your memory wire cutters to clip it. So if you have to pull it out a bit to get access, and then just clip it off, push it down so that area is a little closed. Pinch it in a bit if you have to, and then form a loop here. Bend it back a little bit, get your round pliers, gently bring it around. And then if you have to push it in a bit, you can push it in. Make sure that's like that. And then we can put a hook. We'll just put the hook on there, close it up, and then we have the sun and the moon earrings. If you want to do a star, you can just start by bending your little loop on the end and then bend this one out, and we can start forming a star. So we want these edges to be about 1/4 inch. So we're just going to take that, go out. And then at about 1/4 inch, we're just going to keep going around, bend them at about the same position. You could use a ruler if you want, and just go back and forth so we make a 5-point star. The measurements don't have to be exact. So then we're going to bend it across, and then you want to hold this in place, bring it around, clip it, and just close it up. Then you can just open up your hook and stick it on there. And there you have some mix and match star, moon, and sun earrings. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.